Hey, have you ever had self-doubt stop you dead in your tracks? Or have you ever been in situations where you weren't able to make a decision because you just weren't clear on your objectives? I know I've been there. You can fall into that trap if your confidence level isn't at the level it should be, or that you're just not clear on your goals. The workshop, Unstoppable Confidence Through Goal Setting, will help you build your goals. We are actually going to show you how to create your goals in such a way, as well as put your goals into your subconscious mind, so it's nearly impossible not to get them, not to reach them at all. And we'll also show you a way in which you can tap into your inner warrior. Yes, your inner warrior, so you can build that unstoppable confidence. I'm Kevin Martin. I am a next level coach and a hypnotherapist, and for years I've been helping my clients get over these obstacles. Tom Maloney is an NLP coach, has been an NLP coach for 20 years, and he has been doing the same thing. Together, we will help you define such laser sharp goals and build the confidence that you need to get to that next level. If you want more information on this and to RSVP to our workshop, click the link below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.